Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Mercedes GLE bounce. Consult a certified suspension specialist before modifying your vehicle. Start by learning legal limits, safety checks, and tow ratings. Focus on non-invasive options like adjustable air suspension, certified lift kits, or professional tuning. Keep insurance informed and retain documentation for any changes. Always test modifications slowly in a controlled environment with a trained technician present. Begin planning by researching curb weight, axle load, and legal limits for modified suspension. Create a list of certified parts, required tools, and professional services you will need. Book consultations with experienced shops to discuss goals, costs, and timelines. Ask for warranty details and written estimates to avoid surprises. Prioritize reversible changes and consider air suspension modules for adjustable ride, without permanent structural cuts or unsafe alterations. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and catch more car tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while working or waiting at the shop with the Owala water bottle. It seals well and fits most cup holders. I link it and some other deals down in the description so you can check them out easily. Now let's get back to the video. Explore safe ways to achieve a bounce effect, like professionally installed air suspension or modular lift kits designed for Mercedes GLE models. These systems let you adjust ride height and rebound while preserving handling and warranty when installed by experts. Have shop technicians perform alignment, brake checks, and electronic calibrations after installation. Avoid DIY structural cuts or uncertified welds that compromise crash performance and legal compliance. Always prioritize certified workmanship.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.